again.
Where's
Ursula? Yay!
Where's Ariel?
Which one's Ariel?
Ariel. Where's Ariel? She's got to look at Ursula first. She likes her eyes. Yes, sir. She's so pretty. Okay, where's Ariel? Ariel.
Yay! Oh man. Yeah. You tell us how you feel. Yeah, you did good.
Sebastian.
Where's Sebastian?
Sometimes she's got to hug him.
Wow.
Sebastian.
Yay!
Play with
Clap,
him a little.
clap, clap.
Where's Flounder? Where's Flounder? She's got to look at him a little.
Oh, you're so
talk to him.
Oh, hugs.
Oh,
big hugs.
Ariel's pretty. Where's Flounder? Where's Flounder?
Oh, almost.
Flounder, the fishy. Where's Flounder? Flounder.
Yay!